For the second part of our Google Classroom, we're going to be finding which of these numbers are more than the given number. So you have your big yellow number up at the top. This is the number that you're comparing. Down below, you have 3 colored numbers. You're going to decide which ones of these numbers are more than the big yellow number and which ones are less. If the number is more, you're going to put a green check mark in the gray box below the number. If the number is less, you're going to put the red X in the gray box. So let's do this one together. My number that I'm comparing is 55. So I'm looking for all numbers that are more than 55. Is 34 more than 55? No. So I'm going to drag a red X to the gray box. Let's do our next one. Is 57 bigger than 55? Yes, it is. I'm going to drag my green check mark to that box. And our last number is 68. Is 68 bigger than 55? Yes, 68 is more. So I'm going to drag my green check mark to that box. There are 10 practice slides for this skill. Once you get to the end, please turn it in.